Today we're going to take a look at the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector. Now this is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the 2007 to 2008 Hyundai Entourage and the 2006 to 2014 Kia Sedona. Now on a custom fit part, I always like to recommend for you to go to our website, use our fit guide, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show you if this will work for your application. Now this harness will provide this 4-way flat trailer connector at the back of your vehicle to power your trailer's signal lights. It is compatible with 5-pole, 6-pole, and 7-pole adapters. We do sell those separately on our website. This does connect very quickly and easily. Basically, you just locate your connection points, which will be behind the tail lights. Plug in these T connectors, one on each side, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. Ground your white wire, and then you have a black power wire that you'll need to run to your vehicle's battery. Now this harness does include this powered tail light converter, this black box here. This is to ensure that your vehicle's wiring will match that of your trailer. This is a powered module, connects directly to avoid overloading vehicle's electrical system. Now it is constructed using SMT technology, which is surface mount technology. Gives you more consistent, reliable performance. Helps maximize your trailer light yield and intensity while producing minimal heat, and it'll ensure superior operation in rough road conditions. Now this harness does come with this nice dust cover. You can see it's integrated so you won't lose it. And what's nice about this is when you're not plugged into your trailer, you can put it over your terminals. It'll protect them from the elements and from any damage. This harness is made in the USA. It does come with everything shown here on the table. Has a nice set of detailed instructions that describe how to install it and pictures of where the connection points are. A few specs on this. The maximum amperage on the stop and turn light circuits is 3 amps per circuit. On the tail light circuit is 6 amps. So briefly how this installs, what you'll do again is go to the rear of your vehicle, gain access behind the taillights, and you want to start on the driver's side. That would be the T connector that has the yellow wire in it. And what you want to do is unplug your harness behind the taillights, plug this into it. And then what you want to do is you have a white wire attached to this also. It has an eyelet on it. That needs to connect to a good clean ground if there's one nearby. If not, they do give you a grounding screw. You can make your own ground. And then you'll take this other T connector that has this length of green and red wire. That's for the passenger side. You'll run this all the way over to the passenger side. Do the same thing, plug this in behind the tail lights. And then this converter box, you do want to attach this to a good flat surface so it doesn't bounce around. So they do include this nice piece of double-faced tape that you can use to attach it down so it doesn't move around. And then run your bonded wire that the 4-way is attached to out the back towards your trailer. And again, your last wire is this black power wire. Now this will have to run to your vehicle's battery at the front of the vehicle. So they do give you this length of wire with some butt connectors. So what you'll do is connect this to the length of wire and then run this length of wire all the way to the front. Now when you get to the front, you don't want to connect this directly to the battery. You want to run it through the inline fuse holder. So what you'll do is take the other butt connector, put it on that end, connect it to one end of the inline fuse holder, and then on the other side of the fuse holder you'll take your eyelet connector, attach it, and this is what will attach to your vehicle's battery. Once that's all attached, pop open your fuse holder, take your included 10 amp fuse, just insert it into the fuse holder, put the cap back on to protect it, and your system be all ready to go. They do give you some extra cable ties to take up any slack in the wiring. But that should do it for the review on the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector.